Lisa Montgomery, thanks very much for being on LCTV.
Pleasure.
RESI has recently been critical of free lunches offered with home loans, plasma TVs, flights, discounted petrol, etc. What are the ramifications of this type of deals?
Well, I think I've always been a very big advocate when it comes to helping consumers choose the right loan, and pretty much for us, what we've wanted to do is to talk to people, to let them know that the best loan is the one that they actually choose themselves. And so, first and foremost, there are 5 things that you should be looking at when you choose a loan. Obviously, rate is one of the most important things. Fees, features, flexibility, and of course the service that you experience when you do get a loan. Now, if all of those planets align and it's all perfect for the consumer, and there just happens to be a plasma screen that's thrown in there with that, then that's all well and good. But really, it just shouldn't be the actual bright and shiny toy that's the thing that attracts the consumer to the loan. That should really be secondary. We really want borrowers to have the best experience for the right loan for their right needs over that long haul, because it's not a short-term thing we're talking about when people get a mortgage.
Is non-bank growth being fueled by line extension, credit cards, insurance, personal loans, etc., or primarily through increasing market share at the expense of the banks?
Look, we're seeing a lot of organisations that are including to their core product things like insurances. We're seeing credit cards, personal loans, and other types of, associated products that go along with a mortgage. I don't think it's really fueling growth. I think that it's giving lenders a greater share of wallet, and also giving them more ability to retain the customer by offering them more. I think that really, when it all boils down to it, it's really got to be core product offering. And really innovation when it comes to product. We're all looking for that, that better product, that niche product, the one that's actually going to be the forerunner in the marketplace. That, and also, I think, service, bottom line, which is really product innovation and service will be the key to growth.
Margin squeeze has been cited as an increasing pressure for lenders. How is RESI maintaining profitability in what is a hugely competitive space?
Look, RESI's been pretty lucky. In the last 12 months, we've had a couple of pieces of activity in advertising. So in terms of our 30 and 60-second ads that have been going to air in mainstream TV right across the country. So we've held our own in terms of our volumes. In fact, our volumes have increased in some areas. So we've been very, very happy with the results of that. So we're not seeing perhaps the loss in profitability that some other organisations they're seeing, and also we're not feeling that pinch. We've been very lucky with our marketing spend. We've manipulated that so that we can do the things that we want to do efficiently and effectively, and we're kind of proud of our strategy. It's worked for us.
A recent survey represented that over 60% of brokers used only a third of lenders that they're accredited with. What does this suggest to you?
Well, I think, RESI isn't a broker first and foremost, and you can only get a RESI product from a RESI branch, so it's difficult for me to surmise, what products are the best products, since, I don't work for a broker. But, look, I think when it all boils down, we've got some good legislation in place whereby consumers are seeing the transparency in all of the commission structures that are out there. I think that's a really positive step. Perhaps 60% of the products are the best products. I don't know. So, in my view, I think that it's really got to be up to the consumer to choose that product, and hopefully as education kicks in right across the board, the consumers will be the ones that will be making those choices. Hi, I'm Lisa Montgomery from RESI, and you're watching LCTV on Lending Central.